Hello, dear friends. I am happy to have you here today. I sincerely hope that your day is calm, positive, and filled with good moments. In this video, I would like to show you a very practical and natural solution that can help you avoid spending money on pharmacy products. To begin, take a clean container and add 100 grams of rice. It does not matter whether it is white, brown, or any other type. Whatever rice you have in your kitchen will be just fine. Place the rice into the container and get ready for the next step. Now measure 700 milliliters of water and pour it over the rice. Using a spoon, stir the mixture thoroughly so the water starts to turn cloudy and absorb the nutrients from the rice. Rice water is the key element in this method. Many people are unaware that rice contains valuable minerals and nutrients that can support the body in different ways. Very often, this water is simply thrown away, even though it is full of beneficial properties. Today, you will learn how to use it in a simple do-it-yourself way. After mixing well, strain the rice and keep only the liquid. Use a sieve and a larger bowl to separate the grains from the rice water. Once this is done, you should be left with only the rice water. Add another 700 milliliters of fresh water to it. Then take 2 spoons of baking soda and mix them into the liquid until fully dissolved. Now it is time to soak your feet. Place them into the bowl and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. This combination can help soothe inflammation and discomfort. It may bring relief if you experience heel pain, plantar fasciitis, or general foot irritation. Let your feet remain in the mixture for the full 20 minutes to maximize the effect. When finished, dry them gently with a towel. You may also apply a moisturizer afterward for extra softness. This is an affordable, natural, and effective DIY method that avoids harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more natural recipes and home tricks. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Sending you a warm hug. May God bless you, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.